I went to Amazon and bought two things that caught my eye and I want to share with you. So I found this bag and it really resembles a Chanel bag. If you know me, I'm a bag type of guy. So this one I saw and I was like, this looks like a Chanel to me. Well, I think it's cute. I mean, it's a good size. How much I paid for this? I don't even know, like 30 bucks or something. The hardware looks good. You know, I am more like a silver type of person. I should have known better. More than the gold. Very casual to go around. And yeah, have like that Chanel effect to it. I think I'm gonna have a good wear out of this one. Speaking about designer knockoffs, this one I got in Amazon about a month ago and I am obsessed. I love it. This is kind of like a very either Gucci or Chanel. I think it's more like a Gucci vibes and I love the hardware in it. I like this chain, it's very substantial. It is totally adorable. So nice. I like the fact that I can go like this with the chain, make it longer. I can go like this, crossbody it. I don't know, these days men can wear handbags too and I think it looks totally adorable. What about Harry Styles? He wears bags all the time and I think he looks totally adorable. You guys, don't be afraid to incorporate a little bit of feminine touches to your wardrobe. I think it can look really cool. So I like it. I love this. I've been wearing it for over a month and getting many compliments. Did not spend that much money in it and it looks way more expensive. Actually, the inside, it has two compartments, pretty wide. It is structured, which I love. So I like when I set it like this on the table, it sits. These are actually red pumps. I have never, I swear on my life, I swear to God, I have never wore high heels in my life. The reason why I'm trying this, it was because I went to Provincetown with my husband about 2 years ago to do a tea dance, they call it. And these guys were wearing pumps and they look amazing with their short shorts, the high heels, and I think it looks super hot and awesome and I love it. And it's like, I'm getting turned on by those high heels. I need them. So the year is here and I think I am confident enough to wear high heels in tea dance at Provincetown only so far, or maybe New York City. New York City is very open for these things. You give me a margarita and I'm gonna be dancing around this in town. Now these high heels, you guys, are actually unisex. Funny enough, if you go to Amazon, it says woman/men. It made me feel a little bit better when I selected it. So I guess some, obviously, guys buy high heels too. How cute they are. They look small. I have a big feet. I'm 11. This is an 11 and a half, supposedly. It was size 45, it says here. So let's see. Ay, mama. I forgot I have white feet too. Oh fudge. No, Oh no, he did it! Oh my God. Girls, I give you credit. Oh, fudge. Holy smokes. My toes are, ow. I'm doing something wrong here. Why my toes are like this? Alright, if you're a gay guy and wear high heels, please let me know where you get your high heels. I would appreciate that and I will try them. These ones I'm not loving. Okay, I think I got my toe there. I feel like my toes are literally like this, like they're all bended. However, it is kind of loose in the back. I think I can maybe walk from here to the car. You see, I wanted to do like a very nice sexy moment for you guys and it ain't gonna happen. And if I don't hold into something, I will freaking fall. Okay, she's out. I think these are gonna go back to Amazon. Ow! Oh, this foot is worse than the other one. There's nothing sexy about this. And I am not gonna walk like this. Ain't gonna happen. Even for a photo shoot, maybe for a photo shoot, can I make a pose with this? Might take practice, I don't know. I feel taller. Listen, I'm almost 6 feet in height. So now I'm like a 6'4". I don't want to mention some politicians in my hometown or in my state, but I think that particular politician could wear these high heels because he's really short and he might like these. Will I get used to this? I don't think it's worth the money because this is gonna sit in my closet, and honestly, do I look like I can go dancing with this? Absolutely not. I look like an idiot or someone that it has some type of walking problems. Oh no. It's like the problem is it hurts. So I am dealing with the pain and I'm dealing with trying to keep my balance. All right. I feel I'm getting my balance a little bit better now. Now I feel like Tina Turner. You know, like when she did this like type of move with her short shorts and her da, da, da. What's love got to do with it? The thing is, this is like 4 or 5 inches in the heel. So literally, I am standing on my tippy toes. This might go back. It's not my see? I'm not even jeez Louise. I mean, if you're sitting down, you know, like Oprah Winfrey, she has her high heels, do her interviews, and that's great, but that woman would not walk with her high heels. And that's coming from her herself. That's what she said. So
these shoes, look at these are ridiculous. These are some come get me shoes. And the only reason I could wear these days is because I was sitting down. Yesterday I had on some shoes that, you know, 20 minutes into the show, I needed 𝐬𝐫𝐾𝐭.
Now I understand. Whoa! If you're looking for high heels, I do not recommend this at all. Unless you are very well versed on high heels, you have a skinny foot, it might be okay for you, but and for my girls out there, God bless you. Now I understand. The most important thing is about getting high fashion looks at very affordable prices. So again, these bags, they're not sponsored by anybody. I bought them myself at Amazon, but I get so many compliments and questions sometimes about where I get my handbags. I have now, my collection is getting a little bit bigger, and I'm very picky with my handbags. So they have to look good, they have to be feel substantial. I do not like a lot of logos on my handbags. I like them that they look simple but expensive at the same time.